corporations are investing in large scale, only 8% of labor force is in the formal economy, while over 90% of workers are working in irregular basis. Thirdly, globalization with its demand for flexible labor has resulted in the feminization of labor. The point is that the overwhelming majority of familiar work labor in the South is concentrated in textile, concentrated in low-wage industries such as textile, clothing, and footwear production. In this context, we must not miss the phenomenon of a sweatshop. A sweatshop is a working environment with very difficult and dangerous conditions, usually where the workers have few rights and ways to address the situation. Finally, globalization has intensified the phenomenon of migrant workers. Such workers, especially who cross national borders, are subject to the whole range of human rights violations, discrimination, absence of labor protection, low wages, and physical sexual abuse. I will pass to Teju-shi.
Now let me point out another problem. It is sustainability of global economy and global economy's impact to environment. I'm going to bring up a question to you. How we can keep nowadays unfair global economy even though it is impossible to do so in terms of shortage of nature? Already many researches show it is impossible for every nation, everyone to enjoy the benefits of globalization. This is because we are facing up with the shortage and havoc, devastation of natural resources. But those are vital for keep the global economy. But at the same time, unfortunately, those are caused by global economy itself. According to Lester Brown is an eminent professor. The Washington Post describes Lester Brown as one of the most influential thinkers. According to Lester Brown, the existing global economy is endangering our natural environment into an unsustainable situation. According to Brown, if China would consume same amount of resource even about paper in the near future as the United States does and the global economy now, the forests and woods in the world would be disappeared. If China reaches to the standard of the US, they will keep more than 1 billion cars. Needless to say, those are all dependent. Again, global economy, the term that we use now, requires abundant resources. It only drains our resources and destroys our nature. And as a result of it, we cannot keep global economy like what we did so far. In terms of environment, now we say the idea of global economy has a flaw, realistically and theoretically. Now Gita is going to make our closing statement.
The closing statement is at the end.
Well, let's give this group a hand.